Okay, so it's 93.7 outside, 90 degrees inside, 53% humidity. Let's see if this is filled up any. Oh my gosh. That's almost to the top. So, oh, there goes my phone. My portable AC also says 91. Got the fan in front of it, set on high. So I poured the water out of there. Wow. I only turned this on like an hour ago, but the humidity is really super high today. Let's push this back because it allows too much heat to come in. I wish it would stay back. I gotta find something more sturdy than the fan. Plus I could use that fan. So, okay, so what I'm going to do today is sand down. If I can find my little sander thing, it's in here somewhere. Sand down all my spackling. And wood putty. So, we'll see how that goes. I don't look so great, but for this job, I'm wearing the mask. And I've got this little sanding bar. And I'm going to go ahead and put some lenses on, just because I don't want the dust from all the spackling and wood putty to go up my nose. So let's go ahead and give it a try. Oh, I'm hand holding the phone. Okay, looks like I'm gonna have to put a lot of elbow grease into this. I'm sorry, I'm not even on it. Looks like I'm gonna have to put a lot of elbow grease into this job. So, but it is coming out smoother. So this is going to be an all-day job. So I'll show you the results when we get towards the end. Let's do this spot right here and see what it's like. Okay, same thing. I can feel the difference already though. But yeah, this is going to be an all-day job, sanding all this down. It would be better if I had like a little electric sander, but the one I have broke. It might be worth it to get one. Sure could get it done a whole lot quicker. Got my Dremel, but I'd go through sanders like that on crazy. I'd go through sanders on that like crazy. Okay, plus if I go to the store, I waste more time. Oh, it's always something. Okay, so I got the other fan set up. It's gonna blow air through this end of the RV. So I will be getting air blown through both ends of the RV. And yes, it is going to take me all day, maybe a couple of days, to try to sand all this down by hand. I just don't want to lose that kind of time. So I'm off to Home Depot or one of those stores to get a belt sander. Sanders. Oh, that music's not coming through. Now I have a mouse, a little sanding mouse, but it stopped working. Similar to this Ryobi, except this is a much bigger pad. And if I buy the box, I get all these sanding pads. And the price is right. Plus I found these little Dremel sanding pads for $4.92. So, you know what? I think I'll give the Dremels a try first. I went ahead and picked up 3 packages because I can always return it. But, yeah, I think I'll go ahead and get this and those. Okay, so I got the Ryobi sander. It's a little corner sander, but I have some corners that I have to sand out, so I figure it can be multifunctional. And I got the little, come on, the little Dremel sanders. Try them out. If they don't work, back to you. And I also got some white marble for some of my landscaping. So I'm going to clear out my floorboard and my front seat and stick that marble down there because it's heavy. Okay, oops, lock this down. Going a little nuts today. Of course, I'm the park manager. We're having issues with some of the park stuff. Oh my gosh. And I come back. Of course, I went and got my supplies that I needed. And I come back and one of the sites is down. I swear, it's just always something. But I can't do anything until the electrician comes. So in the meantime, we're going to unbox this sander. And yeah, another thing, I ran out of gas on my generator, so I come back and air conditioners are off, generator's off, everything in here's off. I swear. I had just a little bit of gas, so I may not be staying down here, but I wanted to unbox this and see what it was like. I like the fact that it has its own carrying case. That's pretty nice. So we'll lay it down here. Open it up. And take a look-see. Okay, so these are not sanding pads. These are other type of pads. Okay, these are my sanding pads. So I get several different types. You know, you get the rough down to the fine, extra fine. And of course the instructions. This one I like because it's corded. You know, I prefer the cords because for me, I'm just not into the whole battery thing because batteries wear down. So, and this one has a little bag to catch a little bit of sanding, grit, fine stuff that goes into there. It has a safety bottom that you can put on there, and then this is the thing that you put the pads on. And I hope it works better than the mouse. If it doesn't, it's going back because my mouse went bad. This part started jiggling really bad, but it wasn't made by Ryobi, so we'll see. It was made by Black & Decker. But I'm not going to use that right now. I want to try the little Dremel things first. See, I still have a section of the wall. Well, I can't show it to you because I've got too much junk up against it. But I still have a section of the wall that I need to sand down, so that this will come in handy for that. Okay. I went overkill and bought 3 packages of this, but they were $5 each. Okay, so in this mess somewhere is my Dremel. Okay, changing my bits to push this down. Somehow magically hold it down. Yeah, okay, maybe like that. There we go. Line that up. This little thing in it. And it has a little dog bone shaped thing on it. I'm pushing with my thumb. Okay, twist it and then it's locked down. Okie dokie. Put it back on the Dremel. I'm not supposed to put them flush, so don't put them flush. Leave a little space. Still loose. Doesn't look right. Doesn't look right, does it? Did I push that back up? No? Ah, there. Okay. It wasn't snapped in. There we go. Okay, we're locked in now. So, let's find a plug. Here we go. Excuse me, got the hiccups now. Okay, where's a good area? Of course, again, I don't use my good camera. On things like this, I use my cell phone. Let me find a good spot. Here we go. Okay. I'm going to use it on a low speed. Well, okay, that's good. That's flush. Okay. Yeah, that one's really flush. That one. Okay, we'll go over to this one. Actually, this is working pretty good.